It looks like there's a whole different mix in this box. I want to try all 15 of them, guys. This piece of chocolate tastes like fall. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It is possible that I have never been more excited to do a video than today, because guess what? We're not doing makeup, we're not doing skincare, we're not doing fashion, we are doing chocolate. I can't even tell you how excited I am. Big shout out to Jackie's Chocolate for sending this over to me. Thank you so much. I was so excited when you reached out to me. But we are going to talk all about Jackie's Chocolate. It is a subscription box. You can also just get it from their website. So we will go through all of that. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell right next to it, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And let's get to the chocolate. Okay, so I got my scissors, I got my chocolate. This came a couple days ago, and I didn't want to even open it and look at it until I was going to do this unboxing for you guys. I might also have my red wine here because it is chocolate, and who doesn't drink red wine with chocolate? Anybody? Tell me what you drink with chocolate down below. If it's milk, if it's soda, if it's wine, if it's beer, whatever it is, I want to know, what do you drink when you eat your chocolate? But let's get this open. Also, if you would like to see how I got this beautiful, affordable look with hair extensions from Amazon, click this link. I just did a review of these hair extensions. I think you're gonna like it. Oh my gosh, I can't even get this open. Well, I ripped the box, but that's okay. We got to get into it. So Jackie's Chocolate, again, I will link them down below. They are a monthly chocolate subscription box. You can also just go on their website and order a la carte. I took a look. There is so much delicious stuff on it right now. There's fun things for fall. If you like pumpkin stuff, oh my gosh, it sounds delicious. They also have subscription boxes, which you can sign up for monthly, like BoxyCharm or something like that, where you can get delicious chocolates delivered to your house or a friend's house every single month. They also have 3-month, 6-month, and 12-month subscriptions. So if you're looking to especially like give a gift, they have some that don't auto renew. So if you're looking to give a gift, you know, you're checking this video out for your wife or your girlfriend or your boyfriend or significant other, definitely check that out. You can say, hey, you get chocolates for 3 months, and then after that, it's automatically going to cancel. Your card's not going to get charged after that, which is really great in my opinion, that they have some that don't auto renew. So if you are looking to get this, use the code YouTube. That is your special discount code. Use it at checkout to get 10% off your first order. But I'm finally getting into this box. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is that? This would be such an amazing gift, especially with, you know, Christmas coming right around the corner, or maybe you're unable to travel for the holidays for Thanksgiving or something, and you just wanted to send something special to your family. This would be a really fun thing to do, I think. Let's get this plastic off. I'm so excited. So the monthly subscription is $29.95 a month, and it does include free shipping, which is really great. So the chocolates you're going to get every month are all kinds of different varieties. Oh my goodness, you guys, look how pretty these are. This is obviously fall themed. I wore my fall outfit today for this video. I didn't even know there were going to be fall kind of candies in here. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to try, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15 chocolates. I'm not going to be able to try all 15 of them for you guys, but I am certainly going to try a few. So let me see what I want to dig into here. There are so many to choose from. I don't even know. I think I'm going to try this like peanut cluster one right here. I love clusters, like toffees, clusters, like turtles, those types of things. Let's see. I feel like this video is just mean because you have to watch me eat and you can't eat them yourself. So go get this subscription, code YouTube, get 10% off your first order. That is delicious. I'm just going to be that girl that's taking like a bite of each different ones because I want to try them all. Was it Legally Blonde? Beginning of Legally Blonde, when she's eating the like each of the chocolate pieces out of the box and then putting them back. That's what I'm going to do right now. Although I'm not going to throw them all at the TV when I'm done because no. Let's do one of the fall ones. Let's do this one right here. It has a pumpkin. It looks like there's a whole different mix in this box. Look how cute that is. There's a whole different mix of milk chocolate, white chocolate, dark chocolate. I see some with salt. I see some with nuts. There's probably some caramel in here somewhere. But let's see. Caramel. Oh my gosh. I can't describe it. This tastes like fall. This piece of chocolate tastes like fall. I think it's nutmeg. It's definitely got cinnamon, nutmeg, like all the like pumpkin pie spices. That is delicious. This caramel in here, whatever this is, that's where the flavor is coming from. That is absolutely amazing. Okay, we gotta cleanse our palate in between. I didn't do that last time. I'm sorry. Okay, I think I can drink on YouTube. We'll find out. I'm not monetized yet, so I should be okay. All right, let's do one of the white chocolate ones. Let's do this little white chocolate ball right here. I want to try all 15 of them, guys. It says dark chocolate inside of it. Dark chocolate is my favorite. I'm sorry if I have things in my teeth. Hopefully not. That would be super embarrassing. I'm so excited. I'm the kind of person that after dinner, after my 4-year-old is in bed, I want to sit down. I want to turn on the news. I want to have my wine. I want to have my chocolate. This is perfect. I am set for the week. Thank you so much, Jackie's Chocolate. Again, I will put a link down to their website down below. Don't forget to use code YouTube to get 10% off your first monthly subscription order. Guys, these are delicious. They are absolutely delicious. Check them out. So thank you for watching. I know this was a little off-brand for me, but it's a beauty channel. It's all about making yourself beautiful. And when I eat chocolate, I smile and I feel beautiful. So you really cannot beat that. And lastly, of course, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I promise we will get back to makeup next week. Bye.